Hi Rita, this is Alexis, and in this video we're going to talk about how to work with the blog. So you can see I'm on the dashboard page, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click blog. Now let's just review what we have here. We have manage categories to start. So as you can see, there's ancient wisdom, revolutionary science, transformation strategies, community, personal stories. And there's these little arrows, double arrows here. So I can click and drag them to a new location if I want them in a different order, or I can change the number over here. I can remove them, or I can add more and put another number 5 or what have you. You always want to save if you make any changes here, and if you want to add more categories, you simply click here and it will add more rows here. So this relates to your categories, and that on your site is listed right here. Okay, so that's the categories. Let's click Manage Blog. So Manage Blog shows you blogs that you've already entered into the system. Whether or not they're live on the site, they would still be here. Doesn't matter. So if you look here, you'll see the name of each blog article, the category that you've placed it in, and whether it's active or not active. And oh, we see this one's not active, so I want to go in there and fix that. That's one of the things we'll do. Who is the author of the article, and the date that the article is scheduled to push out. You see these dates down through here. We've got the first one from when we were building in February, one a little bit earlier in this month, one today, one tomorrow. And it's because we didn't do this on Monday. We did it today instead. And then we've got them scheduled through the 28th, going out to a week. When we get close here, we'll want to add in the next two articles. Or did we add them all? We may have added them all. Okay, you'll know better than me right off the bat. So if I want to edit something, like here we see this one says not active, I want to go in there and I'm going to edit that and I'm going to make it active. And all that means is that when that date comes, please put it in. So let's say I wanted to make a change to this. Maybe I wanted to change the name. I could just come in here and change it right there. Maybe I want to change the date. Well, in this one, it's the 14th, so, oh, it's the 14th of May. I could click this calendar and I could select another date in May for it to go out, but we don't want to do that. We always want secure post is no, because we don't have, this isn't an, it would have to be HTTPS over here, meaning it's on a secure server, and that's not the case. You want to always make sure show on homepage, on blog homepage is here so that it comes up on that homepage. And if you wanted to make any changes in here, you can, just using this editor tools up through here. So you can have bold, italic, underscore, strike through, super and subtext, lists, alignment, styles, font, color, size, color again, highlighting, add a picture, etc. So there's your linking. You can pretty much do anything that you can with pages, like in the one-on-one tutorial that I gave you, you do it here. If you're entering a new blog post and you don't want it to go live yet because you're still not done writing it, maybe you opened up a new post and it's blank and you're in the process of writing it and it's not live yet, you don't want to schedule it yet, you're just working on it, then you click Save as a Draft. The next time you come in, you can click Save and it will just save it. When you're ready for it to go live, or maybe it's scheduled to go live, if it isn't scheduled to go live and you want it to go live right then, you push Publish Live. If it's scheduled to go live, you just keep clicking Save, and at the time that it comes up, it'll go live. So you don't have to worry about that. So the next one would be Create a Post, which is where we get a blank one. So we're going to come in here and we're going to say yes. Even if it's going to be scheduled for September, we're still going to say yes. And then you put a date in it. It will not publish till that date. You pick your category here. Now if you were to add more categories in that category manager, they will show up in this drop down. It will just get longer. So you want to post live, not secure, pick a date, choose a category, put the title of the article here. And now tags. What tags are for is when people search within your blog, these are words that will help them find this particular article. So if this were an article about Phoenician ships, then we would write Phoenician ship in here. Separate your tags with commas. This is a description. In your description, I usually take the first paragraph, maybe not all of it. You don't want really more than 158, 160 characters in here. And that's going to show up as that little blog description on the home page and in any category section. Make sure that you click blog, show the blog on the home page, and that's going to give you that little blurb on the home page. And then you simply click in here and type. Now, if you chose to write the article first in Microsoft Word, you don't want to click here and just paste it in. You want to click here, then click this clipboard with the W on it, and then paste the text in here and click OK, and it will show up wherever you put that icon, that I-beam right here, before you pushed this button. So copy from Word, click here, click the W, paste, say OK, and it'll show up here. And the reason we do that is this is a little editor that helps us to paste content from Word without using the code that Word kind of embeds into everything, which may conflict with the site and make some cruddy looking characters throughout your text. So once you're done, if you've scheduled and the article is complete, you click Save and you're good to go. The next item here is Edit Social Networks, and what this is for is adding in your social networks. So we're going to go ahead and click here and grab that and put your Facebook there and grab this and put your Twitter there. There you go. Okay, that's all there is for working with the blog. I hope that you found that informative.